What's up, investors? Welcome to Money Talk, the number one news source and the number one information source for everything and anything regarding the stock market, the financial world, and more specifically Lgvn. Today, guys, we got a special update video on Lgvn or Lgvn, however you like to pronounce the company name, which is a biotechnology company. We're going to be talking about what is happening to the stock. Why is it down from its weekly highs, down over 50% from its weekly highs of $40? Well, I mean, I can't lie to you guys, but I did predict this, and I did actually discuss this upcoming crash or dip, or however you want to put it, in my previous Lgvn video. So if you guys didn't take action regarding what I said, I think this time you guys should actually listen to what I have to say regarding where this company is headed. But guys, before we get started, if you're watching this video on anything other than a YouTube app, there's going to be a button up there that says open an app, go to app. I want you guys to press on that. It will take you directly to the YouTube app on your device. It will take you out of this weird template, whether you're on Google Chrome or Safari browser, and it will make the video a whole lot more pleasing to your eyes. So now that you've done that, let's get this video on Lgvn and the massive news that came out. Guys, just a quick update before we get to that. We have now extended the discounted version of our Money Talk Trader Alert program. For those that don't know what my Trader Alert program entails, these are basically my swing trades throughout the month with a 10% monthly profits guaranteed. That's right, 10% monthly profits guaranteed on all closed positions. So that means if we maybe hit our stop loss and we're down 5%, and then we hit our price target, and then we close a position up maybe 10%, 12%, right? And then you do the aggregate at the end of every month of closed positions, and then you get a understanding of, okay, so what percentage are we up another month? And if it's not up over 10%, everybody gets a refund. Now, it's important to point out 10% is not what I'm aiming for, and I'm aiming for upwards of 20 to 50% per trade. All right, guys, and I make about 5 to 10 trades per month, depending how the trade alerts go. Now, it's important to point out I'm actually dropping a trade alert tomorrow morning or in the afternoon of this video, after this video is posted. So make sure you guys check that out fast. And for those that don't know what the discounted version is, basically this tier or this program usually costs $30 per month, but however for Black Friday we reduced it to a $20 per month with only 20 spots. And those 20 spots we had to add an extra 5 because they just flew off the shelf. So I decided, okay, why don't I restart a whole different discounted version, 1 out of 20 chances and 20 spots for people that can sign up for $20 per month. Now, on top of everything, guys, this Patreon also comes with a $200 a month lottery, 1 out of 20 chances. That's because we only have 20 spots left. All right, guys. So make sure you guys get on that, get that fast. All right, absolutely. I mean, in the past 2 months, our portfolio is up over 60%. All right, 60% in 2 months. I mean, we were up over 100%, but unfortunately, as you guys know, the market is kind of going through it now, and now we're up only 60%. I mean, guys, 60% returns, these are absolutely insane. You don't hear of those, and that's just to show you guys how accurate I am with my trade alerts. So check that out, guys. The link is in the comments. Like I said, 10% profits or your money back. That's like the best deal ever, right? I mean, you're not getting an offer like that from in Value Mart, or not Value Mart, what's it called, Walmart, right? I mean, come on, guys. Anyways, so Lgvn, are we long? Is it Lgvn, or should we call it short-of-ron, considering all the shorts that have been shorting this stock? But why? Why is the stock down 20% today after having another blockbuster day yesterday, up over 50% yesterday? It jumped from $20 all the way up to the $30 level, guys, and then it came down, crashing back to the $20 level. Is this going to repeat itself? Is the pattern going to repeat itself? Is Lgvn or Lgvn, however you say it, just going to keep failing upwards in a way, right, and be up 50% and then down 20, and then be up 50% and then down 20, making it go steadily higher and higher? This is what we're going to be talking about today. But guys, however, there was some bad news regarding Lgvn today. The stock fell 20%, considering that they are now raising money and they're selling some common stock. The company sold approximately 1.7 million shares of common stock at a price of $17.50. Okay, now $17.50 is lower than where the stock is sitting right now, but it's kind of hard to sell so many stocks at market price, right? But however, it's also important that they haven't yet diluted the stock. Okay, so why does this matter? Why does it matter for them to be selling shares, and what does that even mean? Well, guys, when you sell shares, you when you sell shares to a outside entity, you add to the float of the stock and you add to the supply. As we know, the stock market is simple supply and demand. When the stock supply is limited and the demand increases, the stock price goes up, because everybody wants something everybody else wants. Now, on the other hand, guys, when the stock price when the supply, or rather when the demand is limited and it stays the same and the supply is messed with, right, which in this case they're adding to the supply, now there's more of the thing that these people wanted, so now they all get to have it for cheaper, right, causing the stock to go down 20%. One thing I forgot to mention about the trader program, guys, my bad, sorry to circle back, but that also comes with a exclusive Discord community where we learn a lot together, guys, as a community, and we just talk about, we were very transparent about the trades we make and etc. So with that being said, guys, check that out. That's the last time I'm talking about it. Anyways, so like I was saying, right, that's why people are kind of selling off, and another thing that happens when the supply is messed with, right, it's harder to get the short squeeze, because the way the short squeeze works is that there's no more shares for people to short, okay? There's no more shares, they need to cover the position. But however, when you add 1.7 million shares into the float of a company, right, what happens? There's more shares to be shorted, there's more shares for them to not have to cover, and etc., causing the stock to kind of bounce down to the $20 level. Now, guys, this could also be good. Let me explain to you why. Because this causes a whole lot of more people to short the stock, okay? Seeing it down, seeing them come out with a public offering, coming out with a they're trying to raise money. This causes the people to jump on the downtrend, right? And just kind of, this could also be a huge bear trap, because we know, guys, these momentum plays do this all the time. They head one way and then they just flip the switch, okay? And then they go insane in the opposite direction, and that's kind of what I expect from Lgvn. I do see yet another jump up to the $30 level in the upcoming week, okay? But however, this is not a trade alert, and I'm actually going to be posting a trade alert on my trade alert program later, either today or tomorrow, regarding Lgvn, and explaining what price do I want to get in at, what price am I keeping an eye out for, and where is the trigger price for the next huge squeeze. So with that being said, check that out, guys, if you guys want to know exactly what price I'm getting in at and what price I'm telling everybody else to also get in at, okay? So with that being said, those are my thoughts on Lgvn, and that's where the stock is headed right now. Personally, I do believe that we're going to see, and look, another thing that this company depends on a whole lot is the supporters from its investors, and keeping it kind of in the circle of the stocks that's being discussed about, right? Because that matters so much in momentum plays, guys. You want people to remember Lgvn, you want people to know the name Lgvn, so when they see the big green day, they know, oh my god, a short squeeze is coming, let me buy some. Okay, the same way AMC, if AMC is up 50% tomorrow, people aren't going to be like, what is this stock, what is happening here? No, they're gonna know what is happening. All right, they're gonna know that if it's up 50% today, it's gonna be 100% up tomorrow, okay? Because that's just how momentum plays move. So with that being said, guys, what I want you guys to do is smash the like button so this video gets shared out to more Lgvn investors, so they also see that, look, this company still has potential for a comeback all the way up to the $30 level, in my opinion. Now, your opinion may be it's going to a billion, gazillion, dillion, million, jillion dollars, which good for you, man. You invest your money, I invest mine, and this is not financial advice. And now I'm not saying this is not financial advice in order for me to dodge responsibility, no, but it's important for me to point that out so you guys understand. Look, watching one YouTuber isn't enough for me to go invest my hard-earned money into a stock that I don't know anything about. So always do your own due diligence, always do your own readings. With that being said, guys, happy investing, stay green, money talk.